Hi traders, it's Roberto. Today is April 14th, Tuesday 2015, and in this tutorial I just wanted to go over the news event strategy. I've been sending out news alerts a day before so you would have them when the news comes out, and I've received several emails on a bit of confusion on how to trade a news event, so hopefully this will clarify a lot of the confusion. If you still have more questions, just email me, and maybe we can just meet one-on-one on Skype and just figure out what the problem is. But when a news event comes out, I normally wait 5 minutes, and this is the New Zealand dollar, USD, yen, and those are the two recommended pairs to trade the news event. So when the numbers came out, this was 8:30, and this is the news event right here. This is the initial reaction and on New Zealand dollar, and this is the initial reaction on USD yen. So what I do is wait for that initial reaction, then I take my Fibonacci tool and draw it from the swing low all the way up to the swing high, wick included, and wait for a pullback. And price came back down to 38%. I was expecting it to go down to 50%, but it didn't, and it recovered around 50%, 38% retracement level, and that would be the entry right there. Okay, and normally I would stay in this trade for about 2 hours. So the entry was about 8:30, 8:45, then I would be exiting around close to the London session, which is about 11 o'clock Eastern, and that's what I did, and exited the trade here and made about 70 pips, went all the way up 75 pips, and took about 70 pips off this pair. On USD yen, the same thing. There's the initial reaction, and I wait for this 5-minute candle to close. Then I take my Fibonacci tool, draw it from the swing high to the swing low, wick included. Price came back up to 38%, struggled to penetrate that level and just collapsed. That was the entry, and the stop loss is above the swing high here, and the stop loss is below the swing low on that first initial reaction. So wherever price the support level is, then you put 10 pips below the support level. That would be your stop loss. Here, 10 pips above the initial reaction of the pound, a USD yen. And this one, I think we managed to capture over 100 pips. And again, we exit these trades before 11 o'clock. So if the news event comes out at 8:30 a.m., then normally a news event typically lasts for about 2 hours. So we exited these trades around the close of the London session, which is a time when the markets are slowing down anyway, because markets are closing in UK. And that's it. So again, very simple strategy. Wait for the numbers to come out. We had negative numbers out of the US. It wasn't 0.2%. That's what we were looking for, but it was close enough. It was 0.4%. So wait for the initial reaction. Wait for a pullback. Take your trade at a Fibonacci level. Put your stop loss below the swing low. Your stop loss would have been all the way down here. And then exit the trade before 11 o'clock Eastern. Same thing on USD yen. There's the initial reaction, and our stop loss is above the swing high. And we stay in this trade for at least 2 hours, because that's about as long as a news event will last. And that's it. If you have any questions, just email me. And for those of you that are not part of our Pro Traders Workshop series, you can just go to FX, so let me just type it in here real quick for you. The website is fx-northwest.com, and sign up for our signals or trade copier, and we also do private coaching session. It's the trade signals are only $79 a month, and you can cancel at any time. Thanks for watching this video, and have a good trading week.